How this liquid cools our processor.
If you are using your PC not as normal, you are an extraordinary, like editing, VFX, multitasking and all, which the processor and GPU takes 100% of load. Then we need the temperature to be cooled down. When the temperature is low, the workflow gets very fast.
What are all the specs for this PC?
Ryzen 9 9950X, X870 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi, Ryzen Z5 64GB RAM, graphic card RX 9070 XT.
People are asking for the liquid coolants, like any color changes or any performance changes based on the color.
It will be the same coolant for all the colors. It's only for the color changes.